That seems to be the main demographic of use cases, which, is fine. No problems with that. I'm not really either. I've dabbled with one. I'll let you guess which one. That doesn't seem too bad. She could be live streaming the bacon. Oh, she's not. Do you know what it is? It's not. Can you hear that? It's not baking. It's sewing. It's the sewing machine. So, I don't know if I've mentioned this. I don't have a clue what I'm doing here. So, I'm after taping some stuff to some things, and now I have a little slot here. And it seems to relatively well line up. So I'm gonna try. Have I used stencils before? I think I tried to use it once before and it didn't work out well. It looks okay. I don't think it's perfectly lined up, but I don't think it's gonna matter a huge amount. Sewing machine has no fancy things in it. Right, I still didn't buy any newer solder paste, so I guess will I flux the? I'll kind of pre-mix it on the stencil. Hello, Gerald. How's it going? You tried to copy. I don't think Sion would like to be associated with whatever's going on here. No. Lion dog hybrid. In my current thing, on my current view, like I can't see people's images nearly at all. Like yours, Azzy, I see a little bit of green, and that's nearly about all I can see. Prepare sim brine. What am I doing? That's too much paste. Okay, well, let's just. Okay. No. I was hoping to kind of mix it up a little bit before we. Doesn't seem like it was that too much of paste. Okay, so we got a little bit of flux going here. Yes, more paste. Alex says more paste. Okay, let's. Okay, we got a little bit of flux going here. Let's see how it goes. It's always too much. Just spread it. Okay. That doesn't look too bad. I have a good bit left over. So I remember somebody saying before that you should just do it in one pass. Like, because if I go cleaning it up now, I might lift it off. So what do you think? Do I just lift it? Or should I try scrape it clean a bit? It's pretty dry. It's very expired. It's nearly 2 years out of date. One pass. One pass is safe. So I just lift it now? Greg DeVille, I am not, or Davil, or however you pronounce it. I don't know where to put this. Okay, so I'm just going to hinge it open. Alex says lift. I trust his abilities. Do you know what, guys? I think it's too thick. I mightn't have held it down enough, but it doesn't look bad. It really doesn't look bad. Let me get you a bit more focused. Why aren't you working? That looks alright, doesn't it? Thanks, Benrico. I have notifications shut off at the moment. I mean, that looks pretty good. I'll take that. Make an image for Twitter. Yeah, I got to. My phone has this like super macro mode as well. So let me just lift up the stencil. No, I'll leave the stencil there. It's fine. Probably paste in my desk at the moment. Okay, let's see. Super macro mode. Oh, the camera is kind of, or the light is kind of getting in my way. Guys, I have to say, this isn't bad. I wonder, can I show you what I'm seeing on the... Move my stupid head out of the way. Hey, that's pretty good.